Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam and I'm the owner of Malia Stitches, which is an Etsy shop where we sell kids embroidered t-shirts and tutus, baby clothing, things like that. In today's video, I'm going to take you over to the computer and we are going to work in Embrilliance and do up some Christmas designs. I purchased a bunch of Christmas designs and I thought I would take you along while I work on a couple of those. So let's get started.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Okay, here we are in Embrilliance. I'm pulling in a design. All of these designs I purchased on Etsy. If I remember, I'll link all of the shops down in the description. So for this particular design, it's just a embroidery design. It's just a stitch out. Sorry, the dog's barking. But I want to put this on some aprons. So I bought a couple of designs similar to this one to put on aprons. So here I'm just going to go through and change the colors to my liking. So to change the color, you're going to click on the step, then click on the color box at the bottom. Then another color box will pop up, and then you'll just select whichever color you prefer. Make sure that you choose in one of the drop down boxes, make sure you choose your thread type. Okay, so now I had to move outside. The girls are swimming, so you might hear them in the background. But again, here I am just changing the colors to my liking. As you can see, you just click on the step, then click on the box down in the right hand corner, then you can change the colors. Once you've picked, like here I'm selecting colors I've already picked in the color palette. So once you've picked like the red you want to, you can just click palette and then it'll put the colors up that are in your design itself, so that if you wanted to make things the same color, it would be right there for you. You didn't have to search through all the different colors. So I'm just going to go through here and select colors, and I'll be right back.
Stay see the sun. Don't you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. Yeah. In a summer state of mind, we be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 oh,
All right, so here we're going to pull in a new design. And up here I'm just changing the hoop size, resizing my picture so I can see it better. And I'm going to add some text, so I'm going to click the text box, type in a name, because I want to be able to personalize this. Then I'm going to go through my fonts and pick a font, and I'll be right back. So I moved the font to where I'd like to place it. I'm going to resize it just a little bit. I don't recommend resizing fonts very much because it can affect the way they stitch out, but you can resize them just a little bit. Then here I'm going to change the color of the font to match my design. And once I do that, then I'm going to save this design and move on to the next one. Okay, so here again I'm going to adjust the hoop size by clicking the little folder, and it brings up the different hoop sizes, and I just click the one that I need. And for this design I'm going to curve the text or the name, so I'm going to type the name in to my text box. Then I'm going to go through and decide what font I want. Choosing the font is always the hardest part. I have too many fonts. Okay, to curve the design, you're going to click the little circle in the right hand box and it will curve it. And then you just mess with the little slider bars to bring the letters closer together and make the curve stronger or less. If you want it to curve up instead of down, there is a box underneath labeled place at the bottom, and you just check mark that box. It's over in this panel here that I'm working in right now. Just check mark that box and it will curve the letters upward instead of down. So I'm just going to go through and adjust this to my liking, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and adjust the colors to my liking. And then I will save the design and work on one more. I'm just going to speed that one up because I don't believe I taught you anything new there. So we'll see you at the end.
I wanna go out and face the cold, but it's a really good time for a monologue. Can't let this pass, I find it hard to breathe. The time is up, the bell has rang, and it is really hard to understand that losing you now is the only choice for me. Someday our roads will cross before, and someday our ocean will find its shore. If you've never been this tired, then you've never been this in love. When you feel there is time for us, then I'll be by the same old road. Minutes ago, you were still mine. Feels like I'm drifting too far from the line. When you left, your final word will leave. The following weeks, I'd understand I will never be that close to someone again. The further I go, the closer you will feel. Someday our roads have crossed before, and someday our ocean will find its shore. If you've never been this tired, then you've never been this in love. When you feel there is time for us, then I'll be by the same old.
Hi guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned some tips about Embrilliance. Hope you found this video of value, and if so, if you could put those points down below so I know what you guys learned today, and hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!
If you've never been this tired,